buddy. Here's a shot of this beautiful pond that we camped next to last night. This is Crawford Pond. Pretty view. Nice little view for this morning. And this is the outlet. Crawford outlet. And then you'll see, we don't have to ford it because there's lots of rocks, but nice little spot here. It's a really beautiful morning, guys. The sun's going to steal a little bit of your picture there, but I hope you can see that. It's pretty. Oh yeah. Another successful river crossing, baby. This is Antlers Campsite. We are seriously making progress. Got a beautiful pond over here. I guess this is, I don't see a sign about what pond it is, but yep, okay.
I gotta squirt up the energy drink, please.
You sure can. Little Mio for what ails you. Look at Mio. Oh, Mio Energy. Caffeine and vitamin B. This is the view from Antlers Campsite. Yeah, this campsite is the real deal. It is super nice.
Wow, you should go out that way.
Yeah.
That path.
Oh, man. My God, this is beautiful. We should be swimming here all afternoon. Huh?
I could bathe in that pond right there.
Oh, I know. If we didn't have our sights on Katahdin, I would say we should stay right here. So, baby, say woohoo!
Woohoo!
Random just did her first 20 miles.
Oh my goodness.
Her first 20-mile day. And now we're, I would say, half a mile or less. And we're done.
Oh my goodness.
And then we're going to go to the White House. And she's going to drink a beer. And she's going to take a shower.
Oh yeah.
And there's a bed waiting for her. That's a pretty nice reward for
And potentially a hot pizza.
your first 20. Oh, yeah, and food, too. Actually, probably real food, because they make real food.
Yeah.
It's just the pizzas if you're...
Pizzas or hamburgers.
Yeah. So that's a pretty nice reward for your first 20-mile day, but I'm telling you, man, she was a friggin' trooper. She pounded it out.
And it rained a little bit today.
Yeah, it rained a little bit.
Sunny
It
and
was hot.
sunny.
Yep, we had just about everything.
We had some ups and
Some-
downs.
Yep, we had our puds.
Lots of mosquitoes.
Anyway, we're just gonna keep going through here. And like I said, we're within half a mile, so no issues. It's only 4 o'clock. We said 4:30 to 4:45. So we're certainly within that scope. And even though the trails once again throw these mud bogs at us filled with mosquitoes and nastiness, still only half a mile, and every step we take we steal from the Appalachian Trail and it can't have back. So that's where we're at. Okay, here we are at the White House landing, the dock landing. Random says the shoes have got to come off. So, in total, she did spot on 21 miles today.
And my feet smell every mile of it.
Oh, yes, we smell beautiful, but that's part of the reason that we decided to come here. Look how beautiful this is, though. Actually, take a second just to appreciate this. This cute little cove. Maine does have some fabulous spots, but it is mosquito-ridden like crazy. Mud bogged, which is hence the mosquito-ridden. And I must admit, I'm a little bit disappointed because two section hikers, admittedly they weren't too bright, said that we would see Katahdin between where we were and here, and there has been nothing of Katahdin. It's been completely the green tunnel, and when we came out here, you can see. Spectacular, hey, not Katahdin. So maybe when we go out on the lake to go over to the White House, we'll see Katahdin. Wouldn't that be cool?
Oh.
But here we are. Just wanted to show you what it looked like. And my God, we are from this spot 30 miles. 30. Count them. 30
I actually think I could throw my
from
feet away.
Katahdin. 30 miles. And we just did 20 today. So that tells you how close we are. Unbelievable.
We walked all up this way, right?
Yeah. Here's a little cabin we stayed in at the White House. Tumbled down deck. That's pretty friggin' spot on. So, and that's the cabin. You go over and you'll see White House Landing. And swinging around, you'll see the lake. I think this is the unpronounceable lake. It's Palmadomadorius, something. P Lake. And then you have another cabin down there by the water, and some over this way. And then the shower houses back that way. All right.